Welcome! In front of me is a Cubot Note 50, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So, to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now, on one of the pages you should have your hotspot toggle. If you don't see it on first page, you can just keep on swiping. For me, it is right here on the last page, hotspot, though it is grayed out. Now, normally that wouldn't be a problem, but this company decided to be absolutely effing annoying with their thing, and even if you try to tap on it, it doesn't give you any reason why you can't enable it. The thing works, I can guarantee you that. It's just this stupid effing company just decided to not give you really a reason to. If you go into the settings and you try to enable it, I believe it should give us, oh no, it doesn't even give us here an information of what you need to do to get it enabled. If you find this infuriating, that's okay, because this should not ever been a decision of any company to do something so stupid like this. So let me tell you what the problem here is, why you are unable to turn it on right now. So number one, you want to navigate into the main settings page. Navigate to Network and Internet and select Data Saver and turn it off. For some reason, the shitty design right here didn't ever let you know that Data Saver, which comes enabled by default, removes the ability for you to enable your hotspot. And if you try to open it up, it doesn't even give you the message why you can't enable it. There was one other company that did this, but at least they had the courtesy of letting you know that Data Saver is enabled. Now it's still a shitty design that it just gives you a pop-up and you're trying to figure out what the is a Data Saver, which you have never dealt with, instead of giving you the option to turn it off. But here it's just kind of like, no, you're not going to enable it. Go figure out why. Anyway, once you turn that garbage off, you can then navigate to hotspot and tethering and select Wi-Fi hotspot, and you can now actually enable it, as you can see. Now, before you enable it, I do recommend changing the hotspot password, because as you can see, once you tap on this, you can see how bad it is. So I do recommend just completely getting rid of this one and setting up your own new password, which will have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, both, doesn't really matter. Click on OK to save those changes, and that's really the only thing that I recommend changing in here. So from here you can toggle it on. And additionally, you can also toggle it on and off from your notification tray. As you can see, off and back on. One more thing, when using your hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery. So if you're not using it, there is really no reason for it to be running in the background. And additionally, on this device, it turns off your Wi-Fi. So as you can see, it's right now off my Wi-Fi while hotspot is on. I'm not going to do anything with the Wi-Fi, as you can see. Just going to swipe, turn off hotspot, and you can see it's now back on. And back off. So keep that in mind when using your hotspot. It does disable your Wi-Fi as it's using the same antennas to broadcast the signal, which just kind of limits the options right here. And obviously, any kind of hotspot connection is going strictly from your mobile network. So if you have a relatively slow or small data plan on your device, you might want to stay away from this option at all. But yeah, in any case, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.